Hello everyone. Today I will show you useful trick for Chat GPT. Did you know that you can install as an window app? If you want to learn how to do this, stay to the very end of this video. Let's start. For this, you will need Microsoft Edge browser installed on your computer. Edge is already installed on Windows 10 and Windows 11 and you have it if you didn't uninstalled it. So, open Microsoft Edge. Search for Chat GPT. Click on the first link, Introducing Chat GPT OpenAI. Click on Login. Choose Chat GPT. I'm already logged in. If you didn't, you need to insert your credential for login. Now all you need to do is to click on three dots on the top right corner of the browser and find Option App. Click on Install this site as an app. You can change the name if you want. Click Install. App is installed. We can now pin it to taskbar, pin it to start and also create desktop icon. I will check option for creating desktop icon. As we can see, we have desktop icon and also icon pinned to taskbar. If we search Windows for Chat GPT, it will be found as application. Enjoy using it on easier and faster way. If you want more tutorials like this, give this video a like and you can share it. Subscribe. Thank you and see you soon.